So I have this gorgeous dual hum with the S1 switching system that I am going to attempt to take the urethane off the back. I know I should start with 400, move to 800, move to 1000, move to 1500. But I am going to start with 1000. Take it slow. And I suppose sort of hope for the best. I know I'd rather start light than heavy and not worry, because I can at least fix this should things go south, but they shouldn't. But I cannot wait for as long as I've owned this. As most of you players know, it is pretty much a nightmare trying to either keep this knotted up or keep it slick. So, what more can you do than try, right? Trying to get a solid fit. I do believe already 1000 is not going to be enough. Maybe not. I can at least see progress. Trying to keep even. Obviously, after 15 years, my neck does have its share of dings in it, which does not stress me out. It doesn't stress me out as hard as playing and getting stuck, as we all know. Bitch. But I may have to grab some, maybe 800 or so, and just start fresh and take it all the way to 1500. I'll know here in a little bit when I take it out and give it a little test drive. Because 1000 is not a lot to hit it with. And no, I am not a luthier. I don't recommend anyone doing any of the techniques that I'm doing. I'm just tired of the way it feels when I sweat, and so on and so forth. And we all know how nice a neck feels without all that lacquer on it. Feels so beautiful. Yeah, so I could even see where I've dinged, and this is working away to ding now. But without a doubt, the lacquer is gone. I think long, smooth strokes, I don't even know. Like I said, I am not a luthier. I watched one or two YouTube videos, which of course made me YouTube smart. This guitar has been drug across the concrete. The last thing I'm really worried about is me taking a little bit of lacquer off the back of my neck. So do not brutalize me in the comments. So you could definitely, yeah, I don't know if you could tell, but oh yeah. I don't know if you could see, you probably can't. That's a nice ding right there. So I can see and feel on the edges here where it stayed. And I will ever so gently just try and get it off. Already gone. I can see remnants of it, mainly where there are dings in my neck. I have many guitars. This is one mean machine. And I like to think that I've been gentle enough with it that I haven't caused any major issues. There she goes. Probably gonna need broken down a bit. We'll see.